Good morning, everyone. I can see only 26 people, including me and Deepika ma'am. So we will start at 9:05 exactly, the dictation. Till then, I request you to revise the dictation words. Am I audible? Just show me your thumbs up. Am I audible? Okay. Thank you, Devyasha. Yes. So please be ready with your notebook and just revise the words. We will wait for a few more minutes for others to join and then we shall start dictation. Still 31. Let it be at least 35 or 36 and then we shall start.
And there are more than 35.
लाइफ हमें बहुत सारे हंसी नृत्य
Are you all ready? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here our first word, melody. Our first word, melody. Our first word, melody.
What
Our
is the
second word, entrance. Our
What is-
second word, entrance.
What was the fourth word?
Melody is the first word.
Swati ma'am,
Yes.
just because of network issue, I've joined late just now. So tell me what's the first word?
Yes, the first word is melody.
Ma'am, what is the second word?
Our first word, melody. Second word, entrance. First word, melody. Second word, entrance. And the third one, gaseous. We all know this word. We have learned this in ENV or science. Gaseous.
Yes. Yes.
The third one is gaseous.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
what is the third word? Ma'am, your video is off.
Oh, is it? Just a minute. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, what is fourth word?
Ma'am, what is second one?
Third word.
Now, for how long I will be keep repeating these words?
Ma'am, second one.
See, our first word was melody. Second word was entrance. And third is gaseous. Melody, entrance, gaseous. Melody, entrance, gaseous. I hope you are all ready. Why Akansh still yawning? So now here your words are. Please check.
Ma'am, what is fourth word?
Still not said. I have not yet said. Have patience. Check your spellings and immediately, if the word is wrong, immediately do then and there the correction, 3 times correction. No first letter capital. As every day I tell you, first letter must not be capital. And give one mark before sending me. Every time I tell you, if the word is right, give 1 mark over there. Yes, check properly. Good, Arab. And then do the correction.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I put directly mark. I got 9 marks, so I put 9 marks only. Yeah, not like that 1 marks. So it is okay.
But for every single word, you will have to show 1 mark, because when I check your paper, I come to know whether you have checked the word properly or not.
Okay.
So shall I shoot the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth word? Yes. Here our fourth word is originally. Originally.
Ma'am, what is the fourth word?
After originally. Fourth is originally. After originally, the next word is passage. The next word is passage. After originally, the next word is passage.
Ma'am, what is fourth word?
Originally, passage. Originally, passage. The sixth word is uniform. Originally, passage, uniform. Originally, passage, uniform. Here your words are no first letter capital. Check every spelling whether double letters are being written properly or not, and then give marks over there. No half mark will be considered for anything. Even if a single letter is wrong, fully 0. Done the work? Done the work? So our next word, that is the seventh word is reflection. Reflection.
Ma'am, what is seventh word?
Reflection.
Ma'am, fifth word?
And our eighth word is pattern. Reflection, pattern.
Ma'am, what?
Reflection
Passion
pattern.
pattern.
Have you all
Ma'am, it's
started again
pattern.
teaching me and instructing me, beta? Have you all started instructing me? I should follow your instruction when to give you the next word. Yes, when you will instruct me, at that time, am I supposed to give you the word?
Ma'am, what's
Then do one thing. Listen to me. If you are not ready to listen to me, then please switch off your things and you go back. I do not want such students in my class, those who are not ready to listen to me. And if you are instructing over here, then you be the teacher. I don't mind at all. Immediately stop instructing me. I know when to send the next word. You are not the only child for me. I have to wait for the slow writers also. You cannot instruct me when to send the word. So our 7th and 8th word is reflection and pattern. And here your words are, please check. Okay, Jishna. Man Rajodia. Yes. Here our 9 word is laughter. Here our 9 word is laughter. Ayansh, from where are you copying the word? In which page you are looking and then writing? May I know, beta? And for what?
मैम मैम अपने आप लिख रहा हूँ
Speak in English. I am writing.
मैम आई एम राइटिंग
Okay,
my
Ayansh.
own.
But then why I am feeling that you are looking somewhere and then writing?
No
Looking
ma'am.
into something? Are you?
No ma'am.
Okay, Ayansh. Okay, fine.
And the 9th word is
Our 9th word is laughter, and the 10th and the last word is desirable. Desirable.
Ma'am, designable.
Yes, desirable. It is desirable. Laughter, desirable. And now, here your words are. Man Rajodia, what are you up to? Man Rajodia, what are you up to? Are you busy in some other business? Then pay proper attention. Check all the words. Okay. As you all know, you should send me the pictures before 12.
yes, ma'am.
Check all the words again very properly. No capital letters in the starting. Check whether double letters are there or not properly written.
Ma'am, we have to click up it.
Yes, as usual, as every Tuesday we do. Yes,
Ma'am?
dear.
For clicking the pic, I have to leave the meeting.
Okay, I know, beta. I know that.
So can I leave
Of course,
send
yes.
the pic?
Of course, yes. I'm giving you 1.5 minutes. Those who want to take a picture quickly right now. Those who want to take a picture quickly right now. But please do not ask me, ma'am, I have sent. Have you received? Have you received? Please do not ask me that. 1.5 minutes exactly.
Ma'am, without leaving the meeting, I have
Veru,
clicked the
every
picture
time
and-
I expect you to send it before 12. Every time I expect you to send it before 12.
Ma'am, we have to send in mail.
Mail, yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have sending an email.
Arav, I didn't get you.
Ma'am,
Arav?
I send you mail. I'm sending in Gmail.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, you got it, my?
Yes, here your time is up, beta, for sending picture right now. I understand that few people have the problem with the mobile camera sending pictures. Afterwards, your parents are not home. So I'm giving you time right now, but otherwise till 12 o'clock. So don't worry at all. Now, I wanted you to ask one thing. As we all know that we use always an article before a noun. An article before a noun. Which are the articles? Can you just tell me which are the articles?
A and the. Ma'am, A and the. Ma'am, A and the.
Perfect. It is a and the. Perfect. It is a and the. Now, when do we use an? When do we use an?
Ma'am, before and vowel.
Before
Which are the vowels?
Before, when a noun starts with an vowel, we use an. Ma'am, today we will do grammar.
Which are the vowels? Yes, right. You all are correct. Which are the vowels?
A-E-I-O-U.
Sweet, darling. Very sweet. Very correct. Now I want to ask you, in the dictation today, we had taken a word uniform. We had taken a word
Today we
uniform.
will do grammar.
So we had taken a word uniform. Yes. Today in the dictation, Ayush, switch off. We had taken a word uniform. Now, according to the rule, we have the word uniform which starts with letter U. Right? Yes. Do we say an uniform? Are we supposed to say an uniform?
No, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
A uniform.
A uniform.
An uniform?
A uniform.
Now listen. Okay. So few of you are saying a uniform, the uniform. The, when we are using the particular noun repeatedly, we are talking about some particular thing, that time we use the. So let us keep aside the. But why A and? What is the difference between that? Why for uniform we are not using an uniform, though it starts with U? Yes, Krisha, I understand it is a uniform. But why? What is the rule behind it? Why do we say a uniform when it starts with U?
And U is an vowel. That's why we use an uniform.
No, of course not. Yes, Riddhi Goyal, I'm expecting you.
Ma'am, because we use N with vowels. For that, we have to say like it is vowel, so we will put N. If the U sounds like U, then we will put N. But
Riddhi, somewhere you are correct, but the perfect thing is Man Rajodia. What is this R uniform? R is the A and the article. R. What is R uniform? When we pronounce uniform,
ma'am, you have to write in notebook.
No, you are not supposed to write down anything.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
You are not supposed to write down anything. Ayush and Ayansh, read it properly. What I have sent you on the chat, read it.
Uniform and umbrella.
Between the pronunciation, check the difference between the pronunciation. Umbrella, uniform. See, when U is pronounced, when U is said as a, that time we use an before U. But when U is pronounced as U in uniform, see, it is not uniform. If it would have been uniform, then it would have been an uniform. But we say uniform, and so we cannot use an before U. Is that clear? Okay, Lama, now you understand. And I have already sent it on the chat what my explanation is. I'm already sending on the chat, Lama.
No, ma'am. I didn't got it. Ma'am, just send it again.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is
Are you getting me? Okay. Now you tell me, when we say H-O-U-R, it starts with H. It doesn't start with A-E-I-O-U. Then why do we say an R? We don't say a R. We don't say, but we say an R.
Ma'am, because it is silent.
Again, it's the matter of pronunciation. So where we have to pronounce the first letter in the form of A-E-I-O-U, in the form of vowel, that time we use an.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm saying that H is silent, so we say R.
Yes, H is silent. It means here again it matters with the pronunciation. H is silent. We do not pronounce the H. And so it starts with O-U-R. The pronunciation starts with O-U-R. And so it is. Okay. Is that clear? Now, I want to show you. See, again here, I do not want you to copy down anything. I will be sending the soft copy of the same thing. I will be sending the soft copy of the same thing. So here you are just sending me the answers on the chat. Management of work, management of people, management of operation. Right? This features very unique. This one your management of work, this process. Right? This process will be a combination of work and people. Right? Next one is management is process.
Ma'am, are you presenting?
I have not yet presented, beta. I am showing. Then the next one is because coordination is center of management. Right? First chapter, coordination. Right? What is required of all the departments of the organization. Right? That's why it is group activity. You all will be working as a team. And the next one is dynamic function. So the meaning of dynamic very well. That is, it's one thing, yeah, it's one thing. Right? Has two other.
Ma'am, I didn't understand like this homogram. What is homogram?
I'm taking lots of examples here. Example of Nokia. Right? You will start to be one type of management technique that you will not be successful businessman. Need to adopt this and you need to adopt this development of this environment. Right? Here the example is given of Maggie. Maggie made a Japanese series menu to survive in the Indian market. Right? Knowledge visual etc. And the last one is nobody is expected to write down, but you can send me on the chats the sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
This will be your homework. You are expected to do this in your notebook. Either take a copy and paste it or you write it in the notebook. This will be your homework.
Ma'am, you will send this page soft copy in the classroom.
Yes. I will. Okay. I have already taught you and then have many worksheets for homograph, homonyms. What is homograph and homonyms? So here once again I am telling you. Nishika, I got a letter from Acha. Okay, I got your written. No, but then this. See. Listen. Do not send me single sentences. Do not send me single sentences. For later, type 2 sentences together and then send me. For later, for write, type 2 sentences together and then send me. Don't send me single sentence. I will not accept it. Trisha Chandarana, for both later, you have the same meaning. We want different meaning, but the same spelling. Riddhi Goyal,
Ma'am, your voice
I
is
hope you have
breaking.
understood with the example given. Spelling same but meaning different. Those are called homograph. Dheru, do not send a single sentence. Krisha Patel, perfect answer. Krisha Patel, perfect answer.
Ma'am, which letter Prisha wrote? That letter also I wrote.
Actually, Nicholas Gaurav Kashyap had taken chapter, people were not there in class, right? So by today, we all will read this chapter. And in case of any doubt, feel free to call. So it is easy for the remaining one, right? If people were not there, so it is difficult for you. So start reading, please. Okay? Nicholas Gaurav Kashyap, so he clicks on that is the network. Remaining. Start reading. Then the next one is importance of object use. In group works, longer explanations. First one, importance of management. The first one is
I hope you all can see.
Yes, ma'am, very clear.
Yes, very good. So now here in the same way, I want you to send two sentences together. You cannot send me single sentence. I want you to send me two sentences together, which clears the two different meaning. Arna Agarwal, when 26, it should be letters and not letter. Krisha Patel, again perfect. Riddhi Goyal, correct. Samriddhi Keshan, correct. So this will be your homework and I shall be scrolling it down now. Here again, no sending answers on the chat. No sending answers on the chat. Just try to solve it right now on your own. And if you have any doubt at all, then only you can talk to me. If you have any doubt, then you can send it to me.
Ma'am, my sentence is
Mushtaq, you are
perfect.
right, you are right. Dear, please send full stops. Mickey, no page number, darling. This is the worksheet made by me. There is no page number, Mickey. Yes, Ayush Singhania, correct. Priya Daya, correct.
Ma'am, Ayush is copying mine.
No, we are not supposed to write down anything. Paranika, no need of writing anything. Krisha, don't send the answers. Dhyan Dalal, pay attention. I am scrolling it down now.
Society at all. Because if we are doing good management and society also will provide them good products, create the employment, the part of our
For a single minute, we shall do this, and I hope you all know. After 1 minute, you all can leave after solving this orally. I shall be sending this everything on the soft copy. On the mail, I mean. Class communication, I will send. So at 9:40, without making any noise, you can all leave. Yes, Lamha, correct answers. Man Rajodia, Which letter you have used? I mean, which word which is given you have used? Man Rajodia, your sentence is too strong.
Ma'am. Ma'am, do we have to send you these one which you have sent it right now?
What will you study?
केलं बंद कॅमेरा.
So which
क्लास नाही संपलाय म्हणजे आता 2 मिनिटं कॅमेरा बंद केला. तिचा एक क्लास संपला. माझा पण मुलांना पाठवला होता.
Ma'am, who is in reading class? Can you send in chat box the names? Ma'am, can you write in the chat box who is reading classes here today?
Ma'am, who are in speaking skill session today, you can send the names.
Ma'am, now can we leave?
I have already announced that those whose names are not there, they may leave. And those who are staying back, revise your topic.
Bye, Swati ma'am. Bye, Swati ma'am.
Bye, dear.